Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing Automobile Electricals. This is episode 2 of our car electrical training series. In today's video, I will explain fuses and relays using a real Toyota Corolla in a simple and practical way. Let's start with the fuse. A fuse is a safety device designed to protect wiring and electrical components. Anytime the current becomes too high, the fuse blows and stops power from flowing. Fuses don't just blow for no reason. They fail because of short circuits, overloads, or faulty components. That's why replacing a blown fuse without fixing the root cause is not a permanent solution. Some fuses are visibly blown, just like you can see, but many are not. That's why we test fuses using a multimeter or a test light. Never assume a fuse is good just by looking at it. Now let's talk about relays. A relay is an electrically controlled switch. It allows a small control signal to switch on a bigger electrical load. Components like engine cooling fans, fuel pumps, horns, and headlights use relays. Without a relay, these components would overload switches and wiring. Inside a relay, there are two main parts: the control side and the load side. When the control side is energized, it activates the load side and allows current to flow. If your car fan, fuel pump, or horn is not working, the problem may not be the component itself. Very often, the issue is a blown fuse, a bad relay, or poor power and ground. This training is important for technicians, learners, and even car owners. Understanding fuses and relays saves time, money, and unnecessary part replacements. In the next episode, I will show you how to test relays live in the vehicle using simple tools. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.